Hi guys, this is Nandini Shri VS, and in this video we are going to learn about augmented reality. Let's dive into the video. What is augmented reality? It is a technology where the real world object replaces the real world object through a computer devices, maybe an artificial one. So people commonly make a mistake in understanding the difference between augmented reality and virtual reality. So, in augmented reality, the field of vision will show up only on your smartphones or tablets, whereas in virtual reality, it replaces your entire vision, adding augmented reality to it. So, now you could have understood the difference between augmented reality and virtual reality, and you might have some idea about augmented reality exactly is. Why do we have to use augmented reality? Augmented reality is used to enhance everyday experience, manipulating digital content to transform physical space. It's an alternative way people consume content. Based upon these utilizations of technology, we can classify augmented reality into four different types based upon their utilization of the functions: markerless augmented reality, marker based augmented reality, projection augmented reality, and superimposition based augmented reality. Now let's see a brief detailed explanation about these types. The first one, markerless augmented reality. So as you can see in this picture, the dinosaur image is being placed on a real world where the dinosaur image is a real world object. So the real world object is being placed on the real world object just on a plain surface of the real world without using any markers as a triggerer object for the augmented reality. Now projection based AR. In projection based AR, we are using a projection light to transfer the augmented reality object to the real world. So as you can see, graffiti as an example for projection based AR. Next we have marker based augmented reality. In marker based augmented reality, we use a triggerer for augmenting our real object into the real world. As you can see in the example, we have placed a picture in the table. So when you scan that picture through your augmented reality app, you can find a 3D model of that image. So now we have superposition based augmented reality. In superposition based augmented reality, the real world object is being completely replaced by a real world object through a smartphone or tablets. So as you can see the image, the original image is completely been recreated using augmented reality. So now let's see some examples where this augmented reality is being used in our day-to-day life. We have some applications like Pokemon Go game. In gaming, there's an application called Pokemon Go where augmented reality is being used. In visualization, in CAD CAM labs, you can use augmented reality. In healthcare, augmented reality is used as a tool for doctors to study and perform surgery. In education, students can learn the concepts clearly using augmented reality. Recently, Google has launched AR maps for tracking of locations, which is very helpful as well. Hope you understood about augmented reality, and these are some examples of augmented reality, and augmented reality is being a fastest growing technology recently. Thank you.